Shake hands with danger.
Bought a mill today. Wanted a milling machine so I can make my own stuff, make it a whole lot simpler. So this, I mean, this is not some crazy name brand, whatever, but it's gonna work, it's gonna get the job done, and it's gonna give me a lot more capabilities just in the garage. Besides getting the milling machine today, started mocking this up using the mounting kit from Sportsters. So you can kind of see how it utilizes this bolt hole to this bracket, and then that goes over to another bracket down there. Tack weld these tomorrow, move this off of the stand, clean the whole lift up, and then throw it into the frame and see how it's gonna look.